Spencer here with Trail Tech. We're gonna do an unboxing video for our flagship GPS unit, the Voyager Pro. So this is our standard ADV kit. Show you everything that comes with it. First off, we've got our head unit here. Put that there. Comes with a cool Let's Ride keychain and sticker, important to add horsepower to your motorcycle. This is the tach sensor wire. This is so you can get RPM on your bike. This kit comes with a ram ball mount. This is the amps pattern on the back here. So you could mount this to the back of your dock and attach it with any existing ram mount that you have on your bike. Buddy tracking antenna. This is the power wire. Talk about that later. This is the dock itself with all the sensor wires coming off the back. Instructions. And then in here we have hardware and components for our handlebar mount that comes with the bike. And why that's important, because this has everything here to get you going, to get you on the trail. Mount it to your handlebar, fat handlebar or skinny handlebar, adjust the angle any way you need. The dock, as I said, power wire and the tach, so you can have engine RPM, power that you need for the Voyager Pro, and the buddy tracking antenna to use buddy tracking right out of the gate, and you're ready to go. The only thing I didn't mention is this little Allen key that comes with the unit. This slides in the side of the dock here, so you could actually lock it in place so that you can't actuate the unit, so somebody couldn't take the unit off, and you can lock and unlock it that way. It's a cool little trick. But anyways, that's everything that comes with our universal ADV kit. This is what comes in it, and it's everything you need to hit the trail.